Thank you, Eric. So yeah, this presentation is on the future directions for MBSE with SysML v2. So what I'd like to talk to you about is a little bit about the history of MBSE, where it came from, where it is today, where it's headed, and then how SysML v2 can support the future of MBSE. So since model-based system engineering is system engineering, it's an approach to system engineering using models. I'll start with a brief overview of system engineering, just to set the stage, and then briefly highlight some key events from MBSE past to present, and then discuss the future of MBSE, and then finish up with an overview of SysML v2, and again, how does it support MBSE going forward. So what is system engineering? Basically, it is a discipline. It's also approach to ensure that the pieces of the system, the elements of the system we talked about earlier, work together to achieve the objectives of the whole. And front and center for that is to architect solutions that often have very, very diverse stakeholder needs and sometimes competing needs for things like basic capability of the system, dependability, cost, sustainability, and many other considerations when architecting a solution. At the same time, system engineering, first and foremost, must adapt to changing requirements and evolving technology, and it does provide a means by which you can manage the complexity and risk associated with the development of complex systems. The basic practice of system engineering is often talked about in a sense of starting with a problem that you're trying to develop a system solution to, and often defined in terms of a mission or high-level needs, and then from that deriving requirements for the system and flowing those requirements down through successive layers of the design through a combination of architecture and then next level of specification, and then recursively applying that process all the way down. And then on the other side of what we call the V, it's moving back up as you integrate the components into next level designs, verify that that satisfies its requirements at that level, and then similarly apply that at each level going all the way back up to the mission level. So it's this flow down